AI and blockchain, two buzzwords that sound like they were created in a lab to confuse everyone at tech conferences. But today, we're going to break it down with simple explanations, weird analogies, and maybe a few jokes that make you question reality. Think of AI as a super smart brain that learns patterns, predicts outcomes, and writes essays for students who forgot their homework. And blockchain, that's like a digital notebook that everyone can see, but no one can erase or cheat on. It's basically the ultimate group project, except nobody can slack off. On its own, AI is powerful, but it has a problem. It sometimes hallucinates, makes mistakes, and, let's be real, it might tell you Abraham Lincoln invented TikTok. Meanwhile, blockchain is super secure and trustworthy, but not exactly smart. It's like a bodybuilder who can't solve 2 plus 2. Great for lifting, not so great for thinking. But, put them together? Oh boy. You get AI plus blockchain integration, the brains and the bouncer. Smart and trustworthy, Sherlock Holmes with muscles. Or better yet, Batman with Wi-Fi. Here's how it works in real life. Healthcare. AI analyzes patient data. Blockchain makes sure it can't be tampered with. Boom, no fake medical records. Finance. AI predicts fraud. Blockchain records transactions so no shady stuff slips through. Supply chain. AI tracks goods. Blockchain proves your organic avocado didn't come from New Jersey. Seriously, nobody wants bootleg avocados. The beauty of this combo is transparency plus intelligence. AI makes decisions, blockchain keeps receipts. Imagine AI as the friend who always knows what to do, and blockchain as the friend who takes screenshots just in case you deny it later. So next time someone throws the words AI and blockchain around to sound smart, you'll know, alone, they're cool. But together, they're the tech equivalent of peanut butter and jelly. Delicious, unstoppable, and maybe a little sticky.